Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you a review of my stay at the boutique hotel Kon Tiki in Papeete, Tahiti, French Polynesia. I stayed here for 3 nights in 2 different room types. The first was a dorm style room with shared bathrooms called the Polynesian cabins, and the second was a regular room. This is in downtown Papeete, right across from the ferry terminal, and it's a budget-friendly hotel, perfect for short stays. This is the lounge area on the first floor where the Polynesian cabins are. Since they're dorm style rooms, they have this lounge area where you can come and relax. They have a kitchen, they have an ice maker, water machine, chargers. You can see they have couches where you can relax, tables where you can eat, and they're also connected to the bathroom area. This is the men's side shower area. As you can see, they have 2 sinks here, and then there are 3 bathrooms that include a shower, and they are just regular bathrooms like you would have in your home. So it's not a locker room style situation. You actually have a real bathroom with a door that you can close and a shower, so you can do everything that you need to do. And there are 3 on the men's side and 3 on the women's side. This is actually the men's side. I wasn't even supposed to be over here, but just wanted to show you what that looks like. The restrooms are very clean. They come throughout the day and clean them regularly, so I never had any issues with cleanliness. I only stayed in the Polynesian cabin for 1 night because I arrived at the hotel around 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening, and they didn't have any regular rooms available for the first night that I stayed. So I went ahead and stayed in the Polynesian cabin for 1 night, and then the next morning I moved into a regular size room. They also did have additional restrooms in this lounge area, not with the shower, just toilets and a sink. And as you can see in the lounge, they had, the water cooler and the ice maker. And this here is the rooftop lounge. It's called the Rooftop, and they serve food and drinks. This is the daytime view. It overlooks the ferry port, and you can just see views of the mountains. It's really, really pretty, great sunsets. The food was pretty good, the drinks were good, and they had a nice selection of music. And so I was just, up here relaxing, enjoying the views and having a drink. But at night, because I arrived here on a Saturday night, the rooftop was jumping. It was like the club. There were locals and tourists there. They had a DJ, and I mean, it was packed. Like I came at the right time because I was able to get in. And by the time I left, they had a little bit of a velvet rope, and there was a line to get up here. Like, that's how popular this place is. So here's a view of it at night. You can see, I mean, it's just packed. It's like a nightclub. Everyone was dancing, having a good time. I stayed up there for a few hours and just had drinks and ordered food and enjoyed the views and the nice breeze. So this is just a really cool hotel, like right in downtown Papeete. Like I said, right across from the ferry terminal. So it's very convenient to everything. So here is the first floor where the Polynesian cabins are. This is the hallway getting off of the elevator to get to these rooms. So this is the actual Polynesian cabin. This is a single room. They also have another room type that has like bunk beds. So there's 1 bed on the bottom, 1 on the top, and there's a ladder you can climb up. This was just a single bed since I was staying by myself. There's a refrigerator and a desk, and that's pretty much it. There are some hooks on the wall. There's a TV and a light by the bed, and this is it. It was fine for 1 night. It was very comfortable. The air conditioning worked great. And it was fine because all I needed to do was sleep. These rooms are very budget friendly, less than $100 per night, and it's better than a hostel because you have, your own room with a door that closes. You just have a shared bathroom, and you see how nice and clean the bathrooms were. So, if you're a traveler on a budget, this is great. It's much better than a hostel in my opinion. Good morning. Just getting up in my little cabin room. I wanted to show you something. They have this cool little switch on the wall for the lights in the bed, and it changes colors. You can change the colors under your bed. I thought that was pretty cool. And you can, and it has a dimmer. I'm not sure what this is for, but yeah, little mood lighting. And you got your outlets right here. This is to turn the light off, on and off in the room. TV had YouTube, and it was pretty cool. This one little night in the cabin room. The lady told me I'll be on the 6th floor today in a nice big room with the kitchen and everything, so stay tuned for the next room tour. Bye. Oh, and I didn't bring a universal outlet with me because on the website they said they had outlets for US plugs, but I didn't find one in the room. But there is actually a USB plug right on the little bedside lamp. So I was able to charge my phone, thank goodness, because I was panicking, but there's a little USB right on this light right by the bed. So, just to let you know, you can charge your phone. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I just checked into my new room on the 4th floor and I am in love. Let's check it out. I'm gonna start over here. This is the wardrobe. Look at this. Light it, got 2 extra pillows, ironing board, over here there's my iron. The safe is on the bottom right there. Lots of storage. Gonna swing over here, and here is my bathroom. Very nice. Walk-in shower. Come in here, close the door, it's a little tight. Rainfall shower head. It's nice and big. Then the toilet with the bidet. There's another view of my sink. Okay, now let's see the room. Got a full-length mirror. And look at this. Night and day, huge difference. Look how big this room is. I think this room is called a Tahitian double. Look at that, king size bed. Nice long desk. 55-inch TV. Have a sitting area, and look, I have a kitchen. Look at that. Microwave, everything is so modern. As soon as I put the key in, the shades opened up. Let's see what they have. Oh, they have pots and everything. Cooktop. I'm not cooking on vacation, but it's nice to have. Look, plates, pans. wine glasses, coffee mugs. Look at this. We have the black tea. Garbage cans down here. Oh, nice big refrigerator, and it's nice and cold. These, of course, are not free, but look at this bottle of water. Look how cute this is. It's all branded. What do they have? Bear Coke's Indian Tonic. What is this? Citron. I might try to find some of these at a store nearby just to try them. Look, I got a nice big table. Look at that. And look at the top here. It says eat, surf, sleep, repeat. And then look at my balcony. I actually have a balcony. Nice view of the mountains. I can see a little bit of the water. Looks like there's some type of warehouse down here, but I mean, whatever. Let's see if I can open this. And this has 2 doors. It's double doored. Look at that. Got a little sitting area out here. How cute is this? This is my view. I am extremely pleased with these accommodations for the price. I mean, the value for the money can't be beat. But this is it, guys. Boutique Hotel, Kon Tiki, Tahitian home, double room. And yeah, I'm about to get out in these Tahitian streets and see what's going on. See you guys later. This is the restaurant on the first floor of the hotel. I ate here every day because the food was so good. They served breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they served like coffee drinks and smoothies, and they had some ready-to-go foods in a refrigerator, but it was really nice and the staff was really friendly. There was another restaurant on the 7th floor that had a Michelin star chef that I did not get to partake in because they were closed for most of my stay, and then there was the rooftop with drinks and like bar food. So this is a great option for a budget, traveler. If you're ever in Tahiti, check this hotel out.